going well. It's always fun and exciting kapag may print shoots. Nakakahawa rin ng energy ng mga taong nakapalibot sa akin. Parang the air is buzzing with liveliness. At may bonus pa kasi I get to shoot with kids since I really love kids. Ay, nakakatuwa talaga.
Kasama po talaga yung mga kids. So yun, pinakamasaya po yun na part kasi hindi ko kailangan mag-project sa camera nang kailangan ko lang makipaglaro sa mga bata, makapag-interact with them. At yun lang.
I'm really glad that she's here because it's well, it brings a lot of fun and class, which is great. Yes, actually, this is the first official shoot here at Edited Studios, and we're very glad to have Sarah here. It's a great honor.
Sarah embodies all the things we want associated with our brand. As I mentioned earlier, Sarah is a very good singer, she's a very good actress, she's maybe, if I may say, a perfect daughter based from what people see her, and maybe basing from our personal relationship with Sarah, I know for a fact that she's the real thing. During the first day of our launch of the Sarah G phone, which is under the Q29 My Phone Dual SIM, we were able to sell both 20,000 units. So practically she did 2 times platinum in one day. And sales are continuously going up.
Accessories and shoes. I think we used mainly Louboutin and Mango. I think she also used Jimmy Choo today.
Madali i-direct Sarah kasi kuha niya agad kasi siguro na sa dami na endorsement niya, sanay na siya sa mga shoots and other stuff. Actually, matagal na process yun kasi maraming approval stages yan. Hindi lang sa agency, kundi sa Planet, sa Viva, and other stuff. On time naman yung shoot. So, kahit may konting delays, nahabol naman.
For me, what I really like is she's very patient because it's easy, madaling mainip because nakaupo lang siya you know, but she's very patient, she's very cowboy na cowboy siya because matagal na rin kami magkatrabaho. Nag-iba naman, nag-downplay naman sila ng outfit. So, ang ginawa na lang namin is nag-lighten na lang. Mas simple. Lighter lips. Pero syempre, beautiful pa rin. Always beautiful. Nag-earthen color. We just basically had the same type of makeup. Kasi, you don't wanna go overboard pa rin. So, we stuck to the same look as per direction.
I've worked with her on print ads before. Yeah, I shot her for Crown Asia when the one for Ponticelli. Hinatingin siya sa labas ng window. Ayun, that's the first time I worked with her actually. Then that was like 2 years ago. Yeah, oh yeah, tama, 2 years ago. Then fast forward, I see her again now. ever since naman, trooper naman yan eh. I mean, ang bilis namin mag-shoot, so wala naman ako nagiging problema sa kanya. You know, parang, do this, post, do that, post. Walang arte. Mabilis naman siya mag-pick up. I mean, you know, whenever nung nagpuna namin shoot, halos na naman kami naging problema sa kanya. Never complained. Even if, you know, may konting delay sa set, hindi pa. Wala lang, she sits lang, basta ng libro. You know, okay naman siya katrabaho.
Siguro, work harder pa rin. Yun pa rin ang gusto ko, more work. And siguro less talaga ang kain ng mga fans. Yun lang. And siguro more time for family talaga rin.
It's not really supposed to be New Year, but every day, improve myself in everything, in acting, dancing, singing, everything talaga.